Hello kids, in this video we're going to learn English numbers from 1 to 10. Let's go. This is green color. Look, this is 1. 1. This is 1. 2. 2. This is 2. 2. 3. This is 3. 3. This is 3. 4. This is 4. 4. This is 4. 5. This is 5. Look, this is 5. 6. This is 6. 6. This is 6. 7. This is 7. 8. This is 8. 9. This is 9. 10. 1 and 0. This is 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope kids you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Bye bye.